Okay, we're finally here. Checking out this band, A Lot Like Birds. This track here, truly random code. So many of the Dance Gavin Dance people have been requesting this. This is a side project here featuring Kurt, obviously the one of the main vocalists from Dance Gavin Dance. So I'm super curious to see what we got here, what we got going on here. The album artwork looks very sort of like Dance Gavin Dance style, really funky, cool. So I'm super excited. Let's get right into it. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, this got like a post-rock feel. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my goodness. What? Okay. Hold on. We are. Oh my god. Okay. I need to digest this a little bit. Kurt is taking it up a notch. Dude, it sounds really, really cool. It's got this like. I don't know my genres of rock very well, but it's got this like post rock kind of feel. A lot of ambience, a lot of atmosphere. Really amazing lead guitar work. It sounds freaking amazing. The bass is really profound in here as well. Drum carrying a nice energy, and Kurt is just singing along. He's kind of like really echoey in the background, kind of just like floating along in there. But now he's cranking it up, so I got to see where they take this because this is so good. Is that Kurt screaming? Is this Kurt screaming or not? Because I hear him in the background there singing like crazy. So they're either layering that in or this is another vocalist. And I know nothing about this band. I don't know who else is in this band. They might have a backing vocalist that does a lot of the uncleans. Either way, this sounds freaking cool. This is so cool. Listen to that drum work. I'm getting like explosions in the sky. If these trees could talk, that's sort of like post kind of music. The very ambient, atmospheric guitar work. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is what I call that headphones music. You gotta have headphones. poetic over here. Yeah. Cranking it. Dude, this is a stretch. The unclean vocals sound almost like John Mess. Am I just crazy? It sounds kind of close to John. He's not in this, right? He's not in this. He's always been with Dance Gavin Dance. Who is that? I, I don't know. It was freaking crazy. That's all. That's all I know. It was amazing. Okay, a lot like Birds, this sort of Kurt Travis side project here going on. This track was truly random code. I mean, it was amazing. I obviously loved it. It had that sort of like post hardcore, post rock kind of feel. I'm not exactly sure if I got my genres right, but it just reminded me of, bands like If These Trees Could Talk, Explosions in the Sky, God is an Astronaut. I used to maybe even a little bit of Tycho too. That I used to listen to a lot of that stuff. I still do on occasion. It's really good sort of like background music that just has amazing vibes. But with just the ambience and atmosphere in here with the lead guitars and Kurt's vocals, I don't know if it was the way they were mixed in here, but it was very sort of felt like I was on, like a little bit of a journey, I guess. It was amazing. Now, the unclean vocals, I'm still not sure of. I don't remember Kurt being like that crazy, so I'm guessing they have a second vocalist. And it was very interesting because it reminded me a little bit of John Mess, so maybe that's a big compliment to this guy. If it's not Kurt, I'm not sure, but I mean, that's just kind of what I got from it. It sounded really, really cool, really awesome sort of introduction to this type of music, to this band here. So I'm definitely curious to check some more out. Yeah, let me know, guys. You already know if you're still here, if you're still watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.